All right, let me introduce you to the world's greatest vacuum salesman. Anybody who's ever had a golden retriever knows what I'm talking about. Let's go down and say hello to Pudge and his sidekick, Pinky. Pinkerton. Pinky for short. And that's the most annoying sound you're ever going to hear right there. That's what Pinky does. And they also make a mess. Look at that window they made a mess of. Now they want to get in and make a mess of that hardwood floor, but that's okay. We'll let them in because we have the cleaning products. So we can clean up after their mess.